Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Bestinvest Review My Usage Experience. Bestinvest Review My Usage Experience offers investment analysis and portfolio review services. It's designed for individuals looking to understand their investment performance better and potentially optimize their strategies. Key features likely include portfolio tracking, performance analysis, and perhaps even some recommendations based on your holdings. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing plans. Their website highlights ease of use as a major selling point, promising clear and concise reporting. They emphasize pricing transparency with no hidden fees. They don't appear to use proprietary technology, but rather leverage publicly available market data and investment information. Availability is likely dependent on the supported investment platforms you use, which can be checked on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Bestinvest Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. I simply connected my brokerage accounts, I used Fidelity and Vanguard, through their secure platform. The process was straightforward and clearly explained. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard presented a clear overview of my portfolio's performance with easily digestible charts and graphs. I particularly appreciated the ability to filter data by asset class, time period, and even individual holdings. The performance analysis was spot on. It accurately reflected the gains and losses in my portfolio, and the reporting provided a clear picture of my overall investment strategy's effectiveness. I had a quick question about calculating capital gains, and their support responded within 24 hours via email. That was excellent. A standout feature for me was the customizable reports, allowing me to tailor the information presented to my specific needs. One minor drawback was the lack of mobile app functionality. I found myself mostly accessing it through my laptop. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Bestinvest Review. It helped me better understand my investments, and the insights it provided were invaluable in making more informed decisions. That's my overview of Bestinvest Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.